Ever wonder why a simple sneeze instantly prompts strangers and coworkers to murmur "bless you" in unison? A sneeze is a sudden pressure release that shoots a gust of air and tiny droplets outward. Our nervous systems detect that blast, and social instincts kick in to maintain distance and politeness. Everyday life quietly anchors it. The blessing ritual probably arose from a mix of ancient health fears and etiquette that help communities feel safer together. So next sneeze you hear becomes a tiny reminder of courtesy.